बात करता हूँ। So we're just out in nature, just hanging out with friends, having good time. Gonna shoot some videos, just the usual thing that we keep doing. And at the same time, I'm gonna try and shoot this vlog, which is kind of difficult for now. But yeah, let's see. What's the plan? Manoj तो busy है. ACP from Greenwich. What's the plan?
अभी है ना थोड़ा शूट करना है, बाइक की आइडियोलॉजी को क्रैश करना है.
हाँ नहीं स्क्रिप्ट मत बोल. So right now the plan is I'm gonna hang on that tree right there, maybe pull-ups, maybe crunches, and these guys are gonna shoot from 2 different angles or maybe 4 different angles. Let's try.
I just wanna back, cause I mean, I just gotta go back, I'm a freak. Gotta go. I just wanna rap to the beat.
By the way, that was fun, totally amazing. My hands are like hurting a lot. There was a lot of retakes. Well, there's also something that I want to talk about today is YouTube. It has been a long time now on YouTube, and when it comes to videos and uploading content, I have not been much consistent on it. I have like uploaded 25 to 30 videos right now, but recently we have crossed like 1,000 subscribers, and which is great. And throughout this journey, you guys have been very supportive, very appreciative. You guys have loved my work. That's all someone can ask for. Recently, these days, I've been getting comments like, your channel is so underrated. Why the hell there are very less views on your YouTube videos, or why there are very less subscribers, or even things like, why don't you promote your channel and your videos to get more views and all those stuff. I even get DMs like this, but hi, sorry for the huge jump cut. It's like 2 or 3 days past now. While we were shooting, we had to go back home because ACP had to do some work. So that's why we went back home. Now we are back after 2 days because yesterday Manoj was not free, and then next day I wasn't free. And then even today Manoj and ACP are not free, but Yash was free and I was free. So I thought let's not delay the shoot much. So yeah, now we are again back shooting. It's just me and Yash right over there. We're just completing this shoot. Should I give them a backstory about this film? No. Yeah, it's something related to workout, as they have already seen me doing crunches and pull-ups. So yeah, just stay tuned. I'm uploading a new video about it, some interesting video, maybe motivating for you. Let's see, I hope you like it. So let's get back to work. We have shot a lot on this location right now. I mean on this spot. We are just wrapping up. Find some other spots, some other background, and shoot our next section of the video. I think it's this vlog is more like it's more than a discussion than behind the scenes of the process of how we make videos and all this stuff. I hope you like it. Let me know in comment section below if you love these kind of vlogs. Alright, so I was saying I'm getting a lot of comments these days about that my channel is so underrated and I deserve more subscribers and all those stuff. And in response to those comments and all you guys who have been commenting such appreciating words, I want to say that thank you so much. I mean, I really admire you guys are liking what I'm creating, but I want to say that I really don't make content for views. For me, having such a large number of viewership or subscribers on channel and not having any impact on my life while making the film, and at the same time on the life of viewer, that does not make any sense to me. And we see such content on internet out there, and as a human being we are intent to get admiration from others. We want people to like us. We want people to like our work. So when you work on something that is assumed that would be liked by others, the final result is dependent on judgment of other people. Makes no sense. The creativity is dead over there. So to describe it all properly, I think I would say like a poet or a writer. He writes poem, or he makes the phrases of the poem not because he wants that poem to liked by others. He just do it because it fills his soul. It gives him ultimate pleasure. I think that's the reason why it also affects to other people. That's the reason I make sure that when I'm making these videos, it should add really value to people who are watching it. And it can be by anything. People just can get entertained by watching it, or get inspired to go out there and travel the world while watching the travel videos. Also by learning new things, learning something about filmmaking. If that even happened to 10 people by 10 views, my purpose of making films is completed. That's what I want. And at the same time, I also enjoy this process. Why do I wake up at 5:30 in the morning, call my friend, we drive like 10 to 15 kilometers to this location from our home, and we are shooting this? This is fun. For some people it would be a pain in the ass to do all this hassle just to spend 2 to 3 hours shooting stuff, but that makes us happy. I love this craft, and the more I do it, the more I want to learn this. By the way, I just love this ambient sound, the birds creeping and water flowing, and I don't think if you can listen this, it's just amazing. We are off to our next spot to shoot the next thing. How cool this location is. Just gonna take few shots over here, just a little bit, just for the composition. How is this location? Yes,
It is good. You can see it already.
yeah.
She ain't mine, but she look fine. Gonna take some time, gonna make her mine, gonna make her mine. I'm the man, I got the plan. When it hits the fan, do all I can, do all I can.
Alright, that was amazing time. It was overall a productive day. We had amazing time shooting the film, and I think we got pretty good shots. And I think if I have to wrap up this video, I would say to all the friends out there who are watching these views, and to all my fellow creators, creating content for YouTube algorithms and marketing it and just for views shouldn't be the only reason for creating the content on the first place. I mean, for me as an aspiring filmmaker or wannabe filmmaker, I did not choose this path for getting more views, for having good subscribers. I chose this path because I love making films. And I'm not saying that having good amount of views and having more subscribers is a bad thing. It's really crucial for maximum reach, but that should not be the only reason for creating content or making videos or whatever you're doing. And in doing so, we should always have balance between these two and create for ourselves, because that's really important. All these things are supplementary for your creation. Just focus on creating really good content and enjoy doing it, enjoy the process, and create content that you will be proud of after 5 years or 10 years. And remember, people who quit doing something are the ones who started for wrong reasons. So if I start creating content for good views and good subscribers, eventually I might quit doing this, and I don't want to do that. So I just constantly keep reminding myself and telling myself to have balance in both these things, and never ever forget to create for yourself. Because I don't know, I mean, if you don't love it, why the hell are you doing it?